So palladium is a commodity that is being used in construction of electric cars. Now I'm not going to much deep on the fundamentals, but technically we have a very interesting setups on palladium. As you can see, palladium has been on a bullish for some time now, and it just reached that all-time highs, and the price is now starting to sell off. Okay, the price is starting to sell off, and us as traders, we want to capture the opportunity. Now we are here on that sell-off, and we want to enter that trade around this area. As you can see, we had a couple of kissing points for some time now. If I draw for you guys, there, oops, maybe there as well, here. Now we are here. Now here is such an interesting area to sell the palladium. Now I like to sell the palladium from that area all the way to down here. Now let's calculate what we're going to make on that trade in terms of pips. So remember, palladium is commodity, so it's going to reflect massive on huge number of pips on that trade. All right, but it depends on the broker. Brokers have tendency of trying to adjust number of pips versus how much you're gonna make on that trade. So I can't remember the theory behind it, but it's just, maybe it's like when you trade gold. Gold can give you less than 1,000 pips, but it doesn't mean 1,000 pips when you trade in your brokerage account. Yeah, anyways, let's crack on. For palladium, this trade, how much are we going to gain on that trade? I'm gonna give it just right tight stop loss over there. All right, here we go. All right, so palladium, sell at that area with a risk reward of 2.03. Target is 1,611. Pips is roughly 27,590. That's huge, guys. So roughly your broker, all they do, they just give you maybe 2,000 pips. There's a way they just fraction it out and just make it a bit cheaper, and yeah, kind of. Anyways, so selling palladium for us at that entry point 1,800, that would be an ideal area for us to sell palladium all the way down to 1,611. Alright guys, so finishing palladium, we want to jump on to gold. Yes, gold, another commodity. Gold. Now with the stock market now trying to cool off, and when you have also economics cracking to the affecting the price of gold, I think with the current monetary policies being taken by different constituency, different regime in the world, we're going to have a lot of cheap money. All right, so all these monetary policies post corona, countries are trying to put all this helicopter money policies that tends to affect the valuation of currencies and helps to gain more value in gold. Remember, gold is a safe haven as well, and is a calculator of value in any currency. Anyways guys, I don't want to get that deep in fundamentals, but here's my theory on gold. I think gold will keep rising to 3,000 per ounce. Don't ask me why. Go and ask Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs run the world pretty much, and they are the ones who predict on that one gold is going to be the thing. So having said that, I just want to see gold trading above 1,750. Any price action happening here, that'll be an entry point for me. Otherwise guys, for the timing, I think gold is going to lose a little bit of that juice. We call it a retracement, we call it a bit of exhaustion. When you have a massive bullish uptrends, comes up with a bit of massive exhaustions and continuation to the upside, and that will be my theory going forward. Hence, on that exhaustion, guys, don't try this at home. Simply is an orthodox style of trading, because when uptrend just trying to sell off, that is no trade. Don't do that. But my theory is, if the price is going to break down here through that support area turning resistance, I want to see a pullback, and when I pull back, I want to take that trade with a target around those areas there with a risk reward of 2.21. all right, so as a trader, you want to show that one, and try use a small position size, because there's a lot of uncertainty on that trade, because the bullishness is still there, the uptrend is still there, we just have a bit of consolidation happening right now. So it's just don't trade, gold at the moment. But if it happens, it breaks through that support, this will be the strategy going forward for gold. All right. This is going to be a very short and quick review on trading Bitcoin. So Bitcoin lost value, so for some time now, we were, for some time now, I've been trading roughly from 20,000 per Bitcoin all the way down to 3,000. So people, just saying this is the end of Bitcoin, this and that. There's a lot of debate if this is the end of Bitcoin. But for me, based on my experience, I think what we're seeing now is something called consolidation phase. When we have very massive price fluctuations or appreciation in value in any particular assets, we tend to have a massive exhaustions and consolidation phases. After that, we tend to see massive up spikes, continuation in those assets. I don't see any difference between gold and Bitcoin, because fundamentally the extraction, they're pretty much the same. Gold is limited, and that makes it very valuable, and for centuries gold has been store value. So at that time, when the implementation of gold as a store value, people were criticizing for some time. We just coming off of barter trade, we went to Iron Age, and now mercantilized era. Gold was in that particular accepted mode of transaction, but after some time, countries, regimes started accepting gold. Hence, having said that, the thing about Bitcoin is going to take some time for people to accept it, because it pretty much has the same fundamentals of like gold, right? It's limited. You can just manufacture it out of nowhere. It takes time, it takes resources, it takes energy, and it is limited in supply. So it weighs pretty much like gold, but it's just a digital gold, I would say. So hence my theme, my outlook on gold is pretty much outlook on Bitcoin. It's gonna take time for Bitcoin to be that rising star in terms of price. Anyways, guys, sorry, I just blank out. And it's for appreciation in value. Anyways, guys, so my prediction for Bitcoin, you see, we have been in quite an interesting uptrend, like a zigzag. That's what I like to see in a trend formation. I want to buy around these areas. Now, if I'm going to draw for you, let me draw for you guys. So here will be a good area for me to buy. I just want to see the price doing that. When it reaches here, it's going to create that chokeness. When that chokeness comes, creates a momentum. Any momentum with it. So my initial trade will close around here. So if the momentum appears with a massive candlestick, I just want to see that pullback, and then I just want to buy it again all the way to the top. So that's it for Bitcoin, guys. A very simple and very fast one. I hope you understood it. And if you have any question, please click on the links down below. Follow us on our WhatsApp, Instagrams, comment down below on our YouTube. I just want to see your questions. I want to see debates. I want us people to understand the financial markets and just pretty much have appreciation of what we're trying to do here. Is trading markets is not a quick reaching scheme. It takes years of practice, takes years of failures, but you can make it, you can do it. Anyways, guys, good luck and enjoy the rest of your days. Cheers.